Can anyone show me how to solve for this? Being out of school for 12 years and it's driving me nuts that I can't remember how to solve for this. So guys, this is the question right here. Pretty interesting question. An algebraic problem. In fact, there are so many ways that we can solve this problem right here, but the easiest ones are just two. The first one is to make any of these the subject, then you place that right in this equation here. Then you solve for the variables, and lastly, you find the difference between x and y, and you are done. The second one is the easiest one in my own opinion because it involves the use of an identity, which is pretty short. Let's check this out. Let's say we have a minus b all squared here. If you simplify this, you're going to have a squared plus b squared minus twice of a times b. If you are to relate this identity to our problem right here, we have a squared plus b squared, we have x squared plus y squared. We have a times b, xy. In fact, we can rewrite this equation in terms of x and y, and if we do that, we're going to have x minus y all squared is actually equal to x squared plus y squared minus twice of x, y, and that is it. Now, we have x squared, y squared right here. We have xy, xy. Therefore, we can do space substitution and we'll be done. So this is, pretty interesting and easy. So we have x minus y all squared is equal to, this whole thing is giving us 100 right here. So we're going to have 100 minus 2 times xy, which is 18. So we have 18 here. So on the left, we still have x minus y squared is equal to 100 minus 2 times 18, that is simply 36. So guys, we end up getting x minus y squared is equal to 64. We are looking for x minus y, so we have square here. Let's take square root right here and square root right there. Now notes, whenever you are to take root on any equation, just pay attention to the power here. If the power is an even number, then it is important to bring plus or minus on the right. But if it is an odd number, just leave it like that. For example, if you are to square this one, we see that this right here is an even number, so it is important to bring plus or minus. So this and this will go, we have x minus y is equal to plus or minus 8. So this means that x minus y is equal to 8 or x minus y is equal to negative 8, and you are done. So guys, I think this is pretty interesting and very easy question. Subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you on the next video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.